Namaste and welcome to Health Tips with Yogi Natraj. Today we are starting a series on diabetes. Those who have underlying conditions of diabetes, they become prone to many health issues including heart attacks and organ failures and many different things. So it is caused by a rise in the sugar levels and weakness in the pancreas to actually produce proper levels of insulin. Now, one of the factors or the most important factor that really triggers the diabetes is our diet today. And today I'm here to emphasize a couple of things in your diet which you can eliminate in order to protect yourself, either prevent or reduce the effect of diabetes in your body. Wheat gluten is one of the biggest destroyers of the beta cells in your pancreas. Wheat creates two types of proteins called as prolamine and glutamine in very high number. And they are so huge that they do not mix easily with water, difficult to digest, and they trigger an immune response. So the body, instead of thinking it as food, it thinks of it as an enemy cell and triggers an autoimmune response. Your immune goes down and your own cells are destroyed. So those who generally eat chapatis or bread or parathas or any kind of wheat gluten items must stop immediately if you are borderline diabetic or you have a weak immune in your body. Instead, there are plenty of things which you can eat. A lot of fruits, vegetables, and in grains you can have more quinoa. And the actual diet, according to the Ayurvedic diet, is millets. There was not so much of rice or wheat as we eat today. Both increase your diabetic level because rice and rice products, although they are gluten free, they are high in sugar, and therefore if you can reduce them. So what did people eat in general? Diabetes can be easily treated with proper millet diet. So millets like bajra, jowar, and what we call barley, all these are very beneficial to the body. So increase more millets in your diet and try to reduce wheat and rice if you really want to prevent or eliminate diabetes. But who can eat this rice and wheat? Those who work physically hard, just like farmers, laborers, they work physically hard. So they can practically break down the sugar or they can practically break down the carbs and digest this kind of food. However, those who are sitting and just working with their fingers, it becomes difficult for them to digest this heavy diet. So bread, as easy as it seems to procure and just nicely fry with bread and eat, is so dangerous. The easier the food you get readily available, all these processed foods, all these breads, the more dangerous they are to your body. So we should eat something very fresh, more vegetables, more fruits, and in this way protect ourselves from this very dangerous disease called as diabetes that can literally kill us very fast. One mudra which will help us in improving diabetes, yes, so that is Apana mudra. Now Apana mudra is important because according to Ayurveda, diabetes is a problem with the Apana vayu, the lower abdomen. So this Apana vayu goes downward, which eliminates toxins in the body. However, when the toxins are not eliminated, when you don't sweat well, when you don't urinate or pass stool properly, all these toxins get remixed with the body, making your body highly toxic and highly susceptible. So let us perform this Apana mudra today. So Apana mudra is formed by pressing the middle finger, the ring finger and the thumb. You can keep it like this on your knees. Very, very powerful, very nice. Easy deep breathing. Deep breath. Calm breathing. If you do this 10 minutes at night before you sleep, and after you wake up, if you do this for 10 to 15 minutes, you will find a gradual improvement in the elimination of toxins within the body. So that is one of the great improvements you can have if you have borderline diabetes, fatty liver, weak pancreas, or if you have diabetes already. So these two things, if you can implement, reducing wheat gluten, going for millets, and if you can perform the Apana Vayu mudra, you will see a wonderful development very, very soon. Thank you all for joining me today. We'll see you soon.